What's going on, guys? I have the DeriumsCCG crate right here. This is the player's crate. What it is, it's like a monthly subscription, kind of like Loot Crate, but it's like for Magic the Gathering. They also have a Pokemon crate and another one with like old card games and stuff in it. So this is the player's crate. It costs $40 a month. So let's open this thing up. First thing I see here, let me get this in frame, some Chessex dice. It's actually upside down. I don't know why. I don't know why I put it like that. But yeah, these are always good to have around. There's that. Next thing is a sticker. Drugs would be cheaper. That's pretty funny. Okay. We have this. These are the custom tokens. Two monk tokens and two manifest tokens, which are pretty cool. And we have 3 packs of Fate Reforged and 1 pack of Conspiracy. I'm going to save this for last. We have a Max Protection deck box. That's really nice. We have a life pad, sleeves, 2 packs. It's kind of hard to see the design with all this glare. It's pretty nice. And we have a 2012 core set 2-player game. I'm going to open this up in a separate video, but I will crack the packs at the end of this one. So that's really cool. So here we have the limited edition DeriumsCCG playmat. So I'm going to adjust the camera here so you can see this amazingness. So as you can see, it's kind of hard to get this whole thing in shot, but it has the autographs of all the members right there, and then up in this corner here you can see limited edition 241 out of 250, so I got it like right at the end. So this is awesome, probably the best thing in here in my opinion. Alright, so let's open up the 3 Fate Reforged packs first, and then we'll open up the Conspiracy one. Alright. Hero's Blade, Arashan Warbeast, Dragon Rage, and Alicia Smiles of Death. Pretty sweet. Nice pull. And Scourge Barons. We have a Mind Scourge Dragon, Neutralizing Blast, Cash Defenses, and Ghastly Conscription. So that's pretty cool. You can read that right there. It's kind of long. And a foil Ethereal Ambush. It's a common. There's that, and a Thornwood Falls. Last pack of Fate Reforged. Fearsome Awakening, Cash Defenses, Hungering Yeti, Frontier Siege is our rare. Pretty cool. And a foil plains. And Rugged Highlands. No fetch in this one. Alright, let's crack this pack of Conspiracy. I haven't opened this in so long. Woodvine Elemental, Council Guardian, Victimize, and our rare is Altar of Dementia. You can read that there. And our Conspiracy card is Muzzlow's Preparations. Almost forgot that there's Conspiracy cards in that one. So, thanks for watching, guys. I'll leave a link in the description where you can purchase this. It's really worth it in my opinion. So, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.